Smartphone Photography Basics. Welcome everyone. Today, we are going to explore how you can take amazing photos with just your smartphone. You don't need an expensive camera, you just need to learn how to control your phone, frame your shots creatively, and use light effectively. By the end of this session, you'll see how skill matters much more than gear. Preparation and basic setup. Before snapping a single photo, let's get your setup right. First, clean your lens, even a tiny smudge can make photos look hazy. Next, turn on grid lines in your camera settings, this helps you keep your shots straight and well balanced. Hold your phone with both hands to avoid blur, switch on airplane mode to stop interruptions, and turn your screen brightness up, especially when shooting outdoors. These small steps make a big difference. Shooting techniques. Now, let's talk about capturing the shot. Always tap to focus before shooting, and if your phone allows, slide up or down to adjust brightness manually. Avoid using digital zoom, it only crops and reduces quality. Instead, move closer to your subject. Use natural light as much as possible. Early morning and late afternoon give you soft, golden tones. And finally, stabilize your hands or use a small tripod to prevent motion blur. Composition and creativity. Composition is where your creativity shines. Use the rule of thirds. Place your subject along the grid lines or where they intersect. Keep your background simple to draw attention to your main subject. Look for leading lines like roads or fences to guide the viewer's eye. Try symmetry, reflections, and repeating patterns, they are always visually appealing. Most importantly, aim to tell a story or capture an emotion in each photo. Editing and review. After shooting, spend a little time refining your work. Editing apps like Snapseed or Lightroom Mobile let you adjust brightness, contrast, and colors gently. The key word is gently. Avoid oversaturating your photos. Remember, crop instead of zooming before capture, and review your photos regularly to learn what worked best in your lighting and framing. Practice habit. Improvement comes from consistency. Take photos every day, even of simple things like coffee cups, shadows, or reflections. Challenge yourself with weekly themes, such as textures or minimalism. And don't forget to study the work of great photographers online. Notice how they use light, lines, and emotion in their images. Conclusion. To wrap up, remember, the best camera is the one you have with you. Your smartphone is more powerful than you think, but it's your eye, your timing, and your creativity that truly make the photo. So keep shooting, experimenting, and developing your unique style. Happy clicking!